Confused about refurbished and unlocked phones? No worries. In this video, we'll explain the differences between refurbished and factory unlocked phones. Refurbished means the phone had faults and returned, then it has been fixed and probably been checked for other faults, so that it can be sold. A refurbished phone has been used at one point, but restored to its original condition either by the original manufacturer or third party. Moving on to factory unlocked phones. An unlocked phone is a powerful thing. It is the exact same, top quality phone that you get with the contract, it's just not locked to a carrier, so you're free to use any SIM cards. One aspect many people consider about unlocked phones is the performance. It performs just as a new one, because it hasn't had to be repaired or restored at any point of time. Basically, you get a brand new looking phone for an excellent price. Are you postponing your dream gadget just because it's expensive? Not everywhere. Go right ahead to Ovantica.com and pick your favorite brand from our vast collection of factory unlocked phones.